This thing's been burning for maybe 5 minutes now. The fan on, I put it on low speed, and all those light spots, light areas, that's where the metal is glowing red. See, the bottom part is still black. That's where the fresh air intake chamber is. Obviously, I need to work on the door seal a little bit. Yes, I'm actually walking all the way around it. Now, unfortunately, the porch light is on back side of the house, and that's going to come into frame here in a minute. Sorry about that. Ah, good, it just went out. Perfect. Alright, so now the big flare up has gone down, so the rest of it is not nearly as hot as that bottom portion, which of course is where the burn chamber is.